I wish you a very nice sleep. Sleep counts as one third of your life. When you are facing problem in falling asleep, when you are tired enough but you are not able to sleep, you sleep and you wake up within the time span of few hours, then there is a sign that you are struggling with insomnia or you are heading towards this problem. Sleep matters a lot in your life. Sleep will going to define your orientation, your determination, your goal, your objectives, and sleep will decide your motivation as well. If you are not sleeping properly, that means you are going to struggle. I'm not talking about that if you are working hard during your exams, during your project submissions, for some business purposes, that's perfectly fine. If you have to do some work for a few days and then you start sleeping again, that's perfectly fine. I'm not talking about that short time span which you are going to spend because of some work and because of some important activities, which is perfectly fine. What I'm referring to is when you sleep and you wake up within few hours and you want to sleep and you have enough time but you are not able to sleep in the night time when you are trying to sleep but you are not able to sleep. This is insomnia. There are two types of insomnia. One is acute and one is chronic. Acute insomnia is referred to short time span when you are struggle to sleep for few days, for few weeks, because of some emotional reasons, because of some stress in your education, because of some problems in your business, because of some like problems in your day-to-day life, and you are struggling to get rid of it. And after some time, you just manage it and you back to normal. So it's fine, and this is manageable within the short time span. The second one is chronic one. Chronic insomnia is when you are struggling to sleep for 3 months, for 6 months, and maybe even more. This is called chronic insomnia, and this needs attention, and you have to focus on it to get rid of it. Because if you are not sleeping properly, that means the rest of your life or the rest part of your day, you will feel fatigue, dizziness, and you will feel less motivation. In this lecture series, in these 5 lessons, we are going to talk about insomnia, insomnia in different age groups, causes, effects, and importance to know about insomnia, and what changes we can bring in our life to deal with this challenge of sleeping pattern. I wish you a very good sleep. Till then, see you in the next session.